Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. Beware the plastic handled paintbrush in East Malaysia. Take your paintbrush, tap it against something. Okay, so this has a very solid feel. I use this to, say, clear my scuba regulator from time to time. You know, it's useful, right? You can actually do something with a bald head. If you tap it and it doesn't feel solid, don't buy that paintbrush, because you'll be painting and that handle will snap right off in your hand, and this will drop to the floor and leave a blob of paint all over the tile. So only buy solid paintbrush handles. Listen to them in your head and you'll know which one is stronger. Thanks for watching.